In this video, I'll show you how to use the YouTube audio library to find and download royalty-free music for your videos. First, go to YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, open YouTube Studio. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you see the audio library option. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see a collection of free music and sound effects that you can use in your YouTube videos without copyright issues. Click on the Music tab to browse tracks. You can filter your search by genre, mood, artist name, or even duration. For example, if you want dramatic background music, just select the mood filter and apply it. You can preview any track by clicking the play button. And if you like it, simply click the download icon to save it. Most of these tracks are completely free to use, and many don't even require attribution, but always double-check the license just to be safe. Once downloaded, the file will be in MP3 format, ready to use in your video editing software. And that's how you find and download free royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library.